This is the elevator here at 25 East State Street in Doylestown, Pennsylvania. It is an elevator construction and repair company. Stops with a bump. Let's get a cab view. Nice older elevator. I'm guessing it was installed sometime in the 70s. I don't know. It moves pretty quick for a hydro. Let's take it for one more ride. Door does not close when we push the button. Now watch this. It's got the old bumper. Ooh, look at the expiration date on that. About that time the door closes when you push the button. Alright. And there it goes, and that's it.